Hello everyone. Today we are going to make an experiment. Well, some people believe that the earth is flat, but science says the earth is a globe. So, we're going to do an experiment here on the computer. We're going to draw a circle and we're going to figure out who is right. So, let's take the earth diameter here from Google. Now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to use this software, which is called Affinity Designer. I'm going to create a new canvas. Obviously, we cannot draw a circle the size of the Earth on a computer. That will take many terabytes of storage. So we will have to scale down the circle. So here, 1 millimeter is going to represent 1 kilometer. So it's all a matter of geometry, right? So it doesn't really matter much if it's 1 millimeter or 1 kilometer. It's geometry. So I'm going to create a canvas. It has to be slightly bigger than the Earth, which is 15,000 millimeters, 15,000 kilometers. Okay. Okay, so now we have a square that measures 15,000 millimeters. Now I'm going to draw a circle, but here where it says transform, I can resize accurately the size of the circle. So I'm going to insert the diameter of the Earth here. I'm going to have to remove the comma. Okay. So width and height is 12,742 millimeters. Okay. All right. So now we have, let me center this. We have a circle that it's 1 million times smaller than Earth. Okay. So I'm going to turn it blue because our planet is blue, right? All right. Then now I'm going to draw a line. Okay, let's draw a line here. Okay, and this line should have 1 millimeter, which represents 1 kilometer. All right. I'm gonna move this close to the circle. Oops, have to do it again. So there's a line. I'm gonna have to move it really close to the circle. Okay, so the line is gonna have a width of 1 millimeter. Okay, I'm just gonna to center these two objects, the Earth and the line, with 1 millimeter. All right, so now let's zoom in till we find the line. Oops. Here it is. Just gonna have to change the stroke to be exact. So this thing right here represents 1 kilometer. As you can see, 1 kilometer. If you compare it to the Earth, which is in blue, it looks pretty flat, right? It is. Where did it go? Oh, it's right here. Looks flat, right? Okay, so we're gonna double this line, and we're gonna see at which point do we start to see the curvature. So we're gonna change this line again. Just put this thing here. Okay. So now the line is going to have 10 kilometers. Zoom out. Okay, it still looks flat to me. Well, let's keep going. Now, another copy of the line. Now the line is going to have 50 kilometers. Well, still looks pretty flat. This is 50, represents 50 kilometers. Okay. Let's keep going. So now I'm gonna put 100 kilometers, which represents 100 kilometers. Okay, still looks flat. Just gonna make this line a little bit thicker. Well, let's keep going. So now 1,000 millimeters, 1,000 kilometers. Oh, I'm starting to see this thing bending a little bit. Let me just make the line a little bit thicker so we can see it better. Some flat earthers will say, oh, it still looks flat to me. But if you dodge the line here, geometrically speaking, it's not flat. Okay, but if you put some clouds in here, it will look flat to many people. So let's make another line. Okay, let's enter this. So now 5,000 kilometers. Okay, so this line represents 5,000 kilometers. I think the curvature is pretty obvious now. If we zoom all the way out, there we have it. Just make the line thicker. This line is 5,000 kilometers.